Welcome, here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the other category, and here we have the grid options. So when we tap on it, we can pick from three options: 3 and 3 grid lines, Fibonacci spiral with right, and Fibonacci spiral with left. Now let me stay on 3 and 3. Let's go back to the camera preview, and as you can see, here we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography. Let's tap again to the left corner, slide to the other category, pick the grid and change them to the Fibonacci spiral with right. And in the preview, this is how they look like. This is also useful when we want to make experiments with composition. Let me show you also the left spiral. So let's tap again to the left corner, slide down, pick the grid and pick the Fibonacci spiral with left. So this is how it looks like, and of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I move here to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we can tap to the left corner once again, slide down to the other, pick the grid and change them to the off option. So for now in the preview, the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.